Reolink Argus 3 Pro is a wireless security camera that offers excellent video quality and a range of advanced features. In this review, we will take a closer look at the Argus 3 Pro and its features to determine if it is worth purchasing. Design and build quality. The Argus 3 Pro features a sleek and compact design that makes it easy to install and use. The camera is weatherproof and can withstand harsh weather conditions, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The device comes with a range of accessories, including a magnetic mount and a screw-in mount. Hardware and performance. The Argus 3 Pro features a 2K resolution camera that delivers sharp and clear images. The camera is equipped with a starlight sensor that provides excellent night vision performance, allowing users to monitor their property even in low-light conditions. The device is also equipped with a peer motion sensor that can detect human and animal movements, reducing false alarms. User experience. The Argus 3 Pro is easy to set up and use, even for those with little technical expertise. The camera can be connected to Wi-Fi or Reolink network video recorder for local storage. Conclusion. The Reolink Argus 3 Pro is a reliable and versatile security camera that offers excellent video quality and a range of advanced features. Its weatherproof design and advanced motion detection capabilities make it an excellent choice for both indoor and outdoor use. If you are looking for a high-quality security camera that is easy to set up and use, the Reolink Argus 3 Pro is definitely worth